Welcome to Forex Rebels. Today we'll be analyzing Gbpzar and Gbpnzd. Before we get into the video, hit that subscribe button below and let us reach our goal of 500 subscribers. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So if you look closely, I'm on the daily time frame on Gbpzar, and I'm going to start by laying out my levels, which are the support and resistance levels. So these are the most significant levels that I'm seeing right over here. But if you look closely, we have a lot of zones inside our support and resistance level. But if you look closely, the market has been pushing to the upper side up until right over here. And as we all know how the market moves, it makes a move, a correction, move, correction, move, correction, move. So this is how we move. This is how the market moves. So let us keep on analyzing. Let me check for other zones that I'm seeing on the market. I can see this level right over here has been respected as well. Again, this level right over here, and this level right over here. Oops, sorry. This level right over here. So if you look closely, we have our huge support and resistance level right over here. But if we change these colors right over here, let us use green, and let us change this one again. So remember guys how the market works. So these blue lines act as the mid ranges. So remember, this is our support level and this is our resistance level right over here, and this is our mid range. And then when the market, the resistance level tends to be the support level, and this level here is our resistance level, and this is our mid range. So let me lay out the zones. Okay, so I've already laid out those levels right over here if you look closely. So let us move to the lower time frame and see what's really going on. So if you look closely guys, you can see the market starting from this point pushing to the upper side. But if you look closely right over here, I can see a beautiful trend line starting from this point right over here up until this area here. And let us cater for the upper side as well. So we had our first touch, second touch, and currently now we are anticipating our third touch right over here before pushing to the upper side or pushing to the lower side. But if you look closely, remember this is a mid-range and this level is well respected as well. So when we are below this blue line right over here, we are going to sell. So let us move to the lower time frame and see what's really going on. Okay, so now we are on the 1 hour time frame. Like I've said, if we are below this level, we are going to keep on selling. So let me cater for you this zone. Okay, so let us cater for it like this. Let us remove this line so we can keep our chart as clean as possible. So look at this guys, you can see that the market, we are below this level right over here, and we have been downtrending from this point right over here up until right over here. So if you are willing to take this trade, for now we are going for the sellers. This will be your entry level right over here, and then this will be your overall take profit, and then you're going to place your stop loss right over, wait, we're going to place a stop loss right over here for the short-term trades. So yeah, and if you look closely, this is a falling wedge, and in which we know how the falling wedge works. Once we see a breakout around this area here, we're going to keep on selling up until this area right over here. So yeah, that'll be all for Gbpzar. Let us move to Gbpnzd. Okay, so now we are on Gbpnzd. So as you can see, I've already laid out all my levels that I need on the market. So as you can see, this is our support level and these are our resistance levels, and these are the key components, the mid ranges and all. So if you look closely, we are still on the daily time frame. So there's nothing much happening on the daily time frame. Let us move to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so we are on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, the market is playing around this area right over here. Hence, you can see the market failing to push to the upper side or to the lower side. So there are two possible scenarios based on this one. So the market is either going to push to the upper side or to the lower side, but we'll keep on analyzing to see what's really going on. So let us go back to the daily time frame to see what we did miss. Okay, so if you look closely on this area right over here, I can see a beautiful head and shoulder formation occurring around this area right over here. You can see this is our shoulders, and then this is our head. So bear in mind, we know how the head and shoulder formation works. So we know that if we see a breakout on this neckline right over here, we are going to push to the lower side. So let me remove this. Yeah, so if you look closely, starting from this point right over here, we have our shoulder here, the head, shoulder, shoulder. What did I say? Okay, so we have our head, shoulder. We have our shoulder, head, shoulder. Sorry about that, guys. Um, okay, let us move to the 4-hour time frame now. So we can see this is the same scenario occurring on the 4-hour time frame. So on this one, you're going to take the sellers, but to be on a safer side, we are going to place pending orders. We are not going to use market execution. So use pending orders on this one. So this will be your entry level right over here. So this will be entry level right over here, and your first take profit right over here, and your overall take profit right over here. And then you could place your stop loss. So let us find a secure spot for our stop loss. Let us use this. So around this area here, this will be our stop loss level. So this is how we are going to take this trade. So don't use market execution already, just use pending orders, because the market can, from this point here, the market can push to the upper side before going to the lower side. So let us be patient with the market, and that'll be all from us. FX Travels signing out.